Hey guys, Matt Tuffelmeyer with Heartland RV, the product manager of Bighorn. Today I'd like to show you the all-new 2023 3880 MD. Hey guys, so we're going to start in the living room area, the 3880 MD. So for Bighorn, we're going to have power theater seating. That's all standard with heat, massage, and power, as well as a cell phone charging pad. You're also going to notice in our dinette slide, we're going to have the tallest ceiling height of 7 foot in the industry for the dinette slide on the off door or the door side of the coach. Coming back here, every Bighorn is going to have a tri-fold sleeper sofa in the rear standard. MCD blackout roller shades is going to be another standard you see in all throughout the entire floor plan lineup for Bighorn. Coming over to the entertainment center side of the living room area, you're going to see an upscale designer countertop, solid surface countertop for us. That's going to be throughout the coach, as you'll see in the video. We went with a 47-inch fireplace, a nice radio head and surround sound system, as well as a televator with a smart TV. All right, coming into the kitchen area of the coach, one of the big things I'd like to point out is all the countertop space you get. And like I said, that's going to be the same high-end design solid surface countertop on the island, on your counters surrounding the oven, as well as through the rest of the coach. Focusing on the appliances real quick, you're going to have a 30-inch microwave residential style, as well as a 3-burner cooktop and oven. It's also going to have a warming drawer. That's a unique feature to the freestanding oven. Coming over to the refrigerator, 21 cube, gas electric as an option, residential standard with water and ice. So that's going to be a huge benefit to having all the space in there for all your goodies. Coming over and focusing on the island a little bit, a residential spring coil faucet with sprayer. You got a massive single basin apron style sink for all your pots and pans. And another good part about all the space for the pots and pans, when it comes time to clean, we're going to go standard with the Fisher-Penkel dishwasher in every Bighorn floor plan. Okay, now coming in here to what makes this floor plan a little bit more special in our lineup is the MD, stands for mid-den. So it's going to be a typical mid-bunk room setup. You're going to have a sleeper sofa for the extra sleeping space for any guests or children you may have. You're going to also have a little desk space. You can pull up a computer if you're a traveling nurse, anything like that, just working on the road. Another thing I'd like to point out is we actually do vent our bunk rooms, so this can heat up or cool down as needed. And as you notice above me, there is going to be a loft above for additional sleeping space. Another cool feature that we added in 2023, which we think is important, is the on-demand Furrion hot water heater. It's going to provide more hot water and more efficiently than your standard hot water heater in the industry. Coming up into the front end of the coach, specifically the bathroom area, I just want to point out the solid surface countertops again. Like I said, carries from front to rear of the coach. And what we do a little bit differently with Bighorn is we integrate a one-piece single basin solid surface sink. So that's going to be a unique feature at this price point. We went with a one-piece shower surround and upscale look, added the teak seat as well as the rainfall shower head in all Bighorn floor plans. And lastly, coming up into the bedroom of the Bighorn, so we tried to focus a lot on the up-end feel and upper scale feel of the coach overall, and in the bedroom specifically, you'll see the light board with the wall standoffs and the backlit atmosphere. Also looking at the bedspread, we went with more of a design versus just your plain dull throw it on there to finish off the coach. So we wanted to really concentrate on the upper scale feel of the coach. And some of the amenities that every Bighorn floor plan bedroom provides is going to be a full-size wardrobe with plenty of hanging space as well as shoe storage space. And then there's also going to be a washer dryer prep closet in every floor plan as well. And bringing it back to the bed here real quick, all Bighorn floor plans will come standard with a king bed as well as underbed storage and 2 folding chairs. And lastly, I'd like to end on, we added standard the Winegard Gateway, which is going to be a Wi-Fi hotspot with 5G capabilities. All right, thanks guys for joining me on this walkthrough of the all-new 3880 MD. For more information on the product, please visit heartlandrvs.com.